here we have the smoothie recipe. This is a watermelon power smoothie. If you watched the video before, let us know if you tried it. Did you try the recipe? What did you think? It's just basically sugar, watermelon, and mint leaves. Everyone loves this recipe. Everyone loves it. It's so satisfying, the sweetness, and it's very, very satiating, especially if you add some sucrose in there. Gives you that long-lasting stamina for the morning. So definitely it's a thing you can have for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, but I definitely recommend it on an empty stomach for maximum digestion. It's a great weight loss meal. Just keeps you very satiated. It's light as well. It feels really light in the stomach and you get a lot of work done. Just make sure you have it on an empty stomach. Always have fruit before anything else. Never have fruit after a meal of bread or whatever, because it will not digest as good. So this is a great recipe. Watermelon, sugar, and mint leaves. Try it out. Let us know what you think down below. Let's get to the banh mi recipe. What's going on here? Explain us.
So we have to make sure we pickle the carrots. I've just got a bit of a brine going on here. There's rice wine vinegar in here, and water, sugar, and salt. Just letting that dissolve, and then I'll let that pickle for about half an hour to an hour.
So you put the carrots in there?
No, I put the water in here.
Keep it cool, room temp.
Yep, and then I'll put that in the fridge, make sure it's completely submerged in the brine, and then I'll prep all the other veggies.
What goes into banh mi?
So we have spring onions, coriander, that's essential, and lettuce, cucumber, tomato.
Yep.
And add some chili if you want. And the most important thing is the sauce. So I'm going to use this original Maggi seasoning.
Oh yeah.
It's got a great savoury, salty, rich flavour.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very good. And then what sort of breads have we got? Got some little breads you bought from the Vietnamese bakery place I saw.
So we've got these buns here. The outside is nice and crisp. I'm going to put them in the oven a bit and heat them up.
Very good.
Nice and crisp.
How much do they cost each?
These were 50 cents each.
So these are going to be pretty budget banh mi's.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll see how they go. Very nice, very nice. Asha, she's going to make us a banh mi. Let's do this.
So I start with this seasoning. I just put some on the bread. Just about that much. And then pack in some lettuce.
Lettuce banh mi.
And then some pickled carrots.
Pickled carrots.
Tomato.
Tomato.
Cucumber.
Yeah, it's pretty straightforward, isn't it?
Spring onions. These are essential. Beetroot. And then top it with a decent amount of coriander. Coriander grains. And then a bit of chili on. It's really nice.
This is chili flakes?
Yeah, chili flakes, all fresh. It's good too. And then you want to top it with some more soy sauce, some more Maggi magic.
Maggi magic.
Not that much. And then
that's a little banh mi.
Chomp away.
Chomp away. There you go. It's probably cost about $1 to make. The $1 banh mi. Beautiful. Thanks for that. It's a homemade banh mi, maybe $1 to make, maybe $1.20. And this is a 10-cent plate I got at the local thrift store, I'm pretty sure. So that's how you do it. Fresh made. And put that in a little bag, take it to work, take it to school, take it to college. You can make a few of those. $1, yeah, $1.20. Fantastic.